Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can view your game history in or on chess.com. So let us guide you through it. So head over to chess.com, log into your account and hover your mouse over the chess.com logo in the top left. From there navigate to stats or to profile. That is going to redirect you to your profile. So here navigate to games and here see your game history with your most recent matches against the opponent below. With the result, as you can see, I unfortunately lost that match, but my accuracy was this, and the accuracy of my opponent was that here. The amount of moves that have been played, the date, and you may also select the given match, for example, and download it as an image, or for example, I don't know what this icon here is for, to be honest, but that's actually how you view your game history. You may also click into it to see how the match was played, like a replay, for example. And that's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.